voice is not good for video.
That's fine, mate. All right, guys. So, well, I'm back here with the Pajero. So last night, what happened is that coming back from a little bit of a hunting trip, a shooting trip, and as it happened, so I wasn't anywhere near my house, but I was just literally 2 minutes away from my brother's house and his roommate Matt, and they're both the mechanics of this mobile auto repairs Sydney, and so parked here at this 7-Eleven and came out. We had a look at it last night. We cleaned out the fuel filter because what had happened, what we diagnosed it as on the way is that I switched the pump to take out fuel from the auxiliary tank into the main tank, and I just allowed it to run for a while because the light turned up and the car was on the Hume Highway. I didn't want to pull out. It was too late in the night, just wanted to get home, so I said I'll just switch it, let it fill up. And so what happened is that as I'm pulling across over there, the lights went on, the check engine light, the stability light showing off, that went on, and the I think the control or one of the other lights went on, and 3 lights went on, and then there was a massive loss in power. There was a car basically went into limp mode, managed to pull it up to over here, right here at this servo, filled it up in the main tank, and then went to switch it back on and wouldn't turn on at all. So now we're having a look. We ran the diagnostics on it. We hooked it up. The error code came up as P00, I think 89. I think it was 89, and so now we're having a look, which reads as a stuck suction control valve. So now that we've taken it out, we've had a look at it, we've checked it, as you've seen now. We had a look at it, and now Matt over here is just pulling it apart, just giving it a clean. Let's see how it goes.
Bro, I'm gonna need you to give me. Now it's out of range.
Okay.
But then also when it's completely gone, it'll show like that, meaning it's open. It's not reading anything.
Okay, so it is reading at the moment.
It is
it's reading 2.3, which you said is close to
the range. Yeah.
2.1.
Yeah. And that's going off that model.
Yeah, that's going off
the
that.
one I had, I think had in general.
Okay.
So that's.
Got it out? Awesome.
So that's blipping out of the way. According to that video, this piston should just pop out.
That's a whole piston.
Yeah.
The whole piston inside, yeah?
Yeah, little piston.
Awesome.
You can feel when it was coming out, it was a bit notchy.
Okay.
Okay.
Possible.
So when you pull it up, keep everything in the same order.
Yeah.
Yeah, like it was a bit stuck. Like it was stuck. So hopefully after we clean this.
Yes, so the thinking is, I don't know if I mentioned it earlier, but the thinking is that we pulled up a lot of dirt and muck from the auxiliary tank, and that possibly would have got stuck over here in this suction valve and caused it to, bring up a code, and hopefully by cleaning it, it should work. So it's really sensitive, isn't it?
Yeah, not that it's sensitive, because you see how fine those walls were
Yeah,
from that to
yeah.
go in and out.
Okay, yeah, yeah.
So the clearance between is so fine, there's only a certain amount. So even if a tiny bit of dust or grime gets in there, it'll
It's
cause
not
it,
gonna.
it's not
It's
slide
gonna
up
get
and
stuck.
down properly.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
correct. So
So what happens then is that the fuel isn't allowed to pass through. Is that
correct, yeah.
Yeah.
So this works like it opens up and down. If the
Okay.
hole doesn't open or if it's not moving,
Yeah.
then it won't regulate the pressure properly to
Okay.
give you the pressure you need.
Ah, yeah.
These holes are blocked.
Is it blocked? You say?
No, just checking to see if all those holes are open.
Ah, okay.
Otherwise, we could use compressed air to blow it out
Yeah.
as well.
All right. So
Quite
we
fierce,
put
eh?
everything back in, and gonna have a look. So have you put it in 180 now, or you put it in like how it was?
Original first,
Yeah. Okay.
Fuel up.
Yeah.
Put that battery back in. Fuel from here.
What's that?
This is the fuel from here. It's got a
Okay.
little drain plug here.
Yeah. Okay.
It's just the O-ring there. You know, yesterday we touched it.
Yeah. Yeah.
Maybe it just needs to be seated properly.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. I was going to say, let me go crank it over. You're not going to put it in the thing?
Well, I think I'll test it first.
Oh, okay, just in
just
case.
try and
yeah,
save
yeah.
the thing. I think I should put it all, but I think I'll test it
Ah,
first.
it's alright. Just let's test it.
Save so much time.
So, Matt, the only part that you had to physically take out in order to reach the suction valve
Yeah.
was the battery itself.
the
That's
battery,
it.
yeah.
So you didn't have to remove any other
No,
part.
just the
Okay.
battery and that cover around it. Okay.
You want me-
Is that-
yeah.
Make it start for us.
The hell?
Alhamdulillah.
Bro, you are a boss. Alhamdulillah from Allah. This is it, mate. That's it. Cranked over first time. If you need proper service, if you need guys that know what they're doing, there you have it. So there we have it, guys. That was it. Successful. Another successful diagnose. Another successful fix, and an easy fix. How long was that? That was about half hour, 40 minutes.
Not even 30 minutes.
Not
It
even-
came out 12.
Not even 30 minutes. It was only a matter of just taking out this suction valve, giving it a good clean as you saw, and then replacing it, and first time cranked over. Alhamdulillah.